Happy to see you. This is your science room. Today, our lesson is Newton's laws of motion. Sir Isaac Newton was a brilliant scientist who helped us understand how things move. He came up with 3 laws of motion that explain how forces affect objects. These laws are the foundation of physics, and they're all around us, every day. Let's explore each one. Newton's first law is the law of inertia. This law says, an object will stay at rest or keep moving in a straight line at the same speed unless a force acts on it. This is called inertia, the tendency of objects to resist changes in motion. A soccer ball won't move unless you kick it. Once it's rolling, it won't stop unless something slows it down, like grass, friction, or your foot. So, motion doesn't change unless there's a reason. Newton's second law. This law tells us how much an object will speed up when a force is applied. The formula is force equals mass times acceleration, or F equals m times a. If you push a small box and a big box with the same force, the small one moves faster. The heavier the object, the more force you need to move it. The more force you apply, the faster it accelerates. This law explains why trucks need big engines and why it's easier to throw a tennis ball than a bowling ball. Newton's third law. This law says, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you push on something, it pushes back on you. If you jump off a boat, the boat moves backward. When a rocket blasts downward, it lifts off upward. This law helps explain how rockets fly, how birds flap their wings, and even how we walk. Why Newton's laws matter. Newton's laws help us understand how everything moves, from falling apples to racing cars to orbiting planets. Engineers, astronauts, athletes, and even game designers use these laws every day. They're not just science. They're part of how the universe works. Thanks for learning with me in the science room today. Keep asking questions, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.